Hi everyone, I'm Loki. Welcome to My Dress, an interactive experience designed to transform the way we perceive dress codes in Malaysia. In Malaysia, dress codes are a part of everyday life in many workplaces and educational institutions. While these rules aim to create a respectful atmosphere, they can sometimes feel restrictive, particularly for women who wish to express their individuality and sense of style. This installation aims to reframe dress codes not as constraints but as guidelines that can inspire creativity and personal expression. By interacting with strategically placed touch sensors, you can explore how clothing choices can highlight favorable traits while adhering to dress code guidelines. Each interaction reveals a new animation, demonstrating how dress code can be interpreted in ways that celebrate individuality and style. My Dress invites you to rethink the relationship between dress codes and personal style by viewing this guideline as opportunity for creative expression. We can foster a more inclusive and dynamic way of dressing that respects cultural norms while celebrating individuality. Thank you for participating in this journey. May you live inspired to embrace and reinterpret dress codes in ways that enhance your unique style and personality.